Hello, in front of me I've got iPad 11-inch 4th generation. In this video I'll show you how to find and manage display settings. In the beginning, let's go to settings, enter display and brightness, and right here you've got all settings for your display. Let's start with the top of the list, where you can change between light and dark mode, and also schedule the dark mode. Next, you can enable or disable bold text and change text size. Then you can change brightness level of the display and enable or disable True Tone. Next, you can enable or disable night shift, change its intensity, and also schedule it. Then you can change auto lock between 2 minutes, 15 minutes, or never. In the end, you can change display zoom between default or more space. And that's it. If you find this video helpful, please leave like, comment, and subscribe.